welcome back to my kitchen. Here I share yummy, unique and delicious recipes for all the occasion. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. For midnight cravings, Maggi is not only option, we have lot of options out there. Just make a desi masala and stuff into a store-bought bread and there you go. This recipe may satisfy your midnight craving. Hey guys, this is Smita on my channel Live with Smita. Today I'm gonna share you masala vegetable hot dog recipe with a desi dip. So let's get started. Do not forget to watch this video till the end. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil, adding grated ginger and garlic. You can use ginger garlic paste as well. And saute it for a minute, then add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onion. Give it a stir. Here goes in finely chopped 1 large capsicum. Saute it for few minutes until onion gets translucent. Adding green chilies now. You can skip 2 if you don't want the heat of chilies. 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder goes in. Give it a stir and adding 2 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes. Salt as per the taste. Sorry guys, I missed my clip with the most important ingredient, which is pav bhaji masala. So add 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala and let the tomatoes cook nicely, and after that add diced paneer. Give it a stir and try to mash it with the help of spatula like I am doing. Here goes in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it nicely. Our masala is ready now. Keep this masala aside and let it cool down. Here I have brown hot dog bread. You can take white one or you can use sandwich bread or even pav. I am making a slit in the center of the bread vertically. Do not cut it through. Our masala is cooled down now. Now I am adding coriander leaves, grated cheese. I am using cheddar. You can use processed mozzarella or any other cheese. Give it a nice mix. So our masala is ready. Now I am gonna apply mayonnaise on the slit of bread like I am doing. And try to spread it with the help of spoon. Now I am placing our stuffing into the bread. Be generous with the stuffing. Like this we will make all the breads ready. And push the stuffing. Now take a pan, non-stick tawa, apply some butter, sprinkle some pav bhaji masala and coriander leaves. Then place the bread on tawa upside down. And apply some butter on our breads and flip them When they turn brown, golden brown from both the sides, keep them on our serving dish. Let's make a desi and easy dip. I have mayonnaise here and added 2 teaspoons of coriander and mint chutney and little bit of water. Give it a good mix so that you will get the nice consistency, and garnish them with our dip and coriander leaves like I am doing with the help of piping bag. So tada! Our easy and super tasty appetizer is ready to eat. Whenever you feel midnight craving, just go for it. I'm damn sure you're gonna fall in love with this recipe. I hope you would love to try this recipe at home. Please do leave your feedback in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.